My dear children, after a sound words, we are going to know and learn b sound words and poem. Okay, the b. This is b. B. The letter is B, and the phonic sound is b. B. B sound. Okay. Now baba, babu, baba, bucket, baba, bala, baba, bananas, baba, basket, baba, butter, baba, bread. This is bread. Baba, bread, baba, ball, baba, ball, baba, boat, baba, ball, baba, boat, baba, bat, baba, bear, baba, bear, baba, bunty, baba, bag, baba, bird, baba, books, baba, butter, and baba, bus, baba, bush, and baba, balloon is also baba, balloon. This is balloon. Once again, the letter is B. The letter is B and the phonic sound is B. The letter is B and the phonic sound is B. Baba, bucket, baba, bucket. This is the green bucket is there. Baba, bucket, baba, babu, baba, babu, baba, bala, baba, bananas, baba, basket, baba, butter, baba, bread, baba, box, baba, butterfly, baba, boat, baba, balloon, baba, bush, baba, ball, baba, bat, baba, bear, baba, bunty, baba, bag, baba, bottle, baba, books, baba, bird. Now, the ball is bouncing. Okay. Now we are going to know and learn all the words through a poem. Ball is bouncing, ba ba ba. Ball is bouncing, ba ba ba. Ball is bouncing, ba ba ba. Ba is the sound of B. Ba is the sound of B. Baba Baba Babu and Baba Baba Bucket. Baba Baba Babu and Baba Baba Bucket. Baba Baba Bala and Baba Baba Butter. Baba Baba Bala and Baba Baba Butter. Baba Baba Bananas and Baba Baba Basket. Baba Baba Bananas and Baba Baba Basket. Baba Baba Bread and Baba Baba Breast. Baba Baba Bread and Baba Baba Breast. Baba Baba Box and Baba Baba Butterfly. Baba Baba Box and Baba Baba Butterfly. Baba Baba Balloon and Baba Baba Balloon and Baba Baba Bus. Baba Baba Balloon and Baba Baba Bus. Baba Baba Boat and Baba Baba Bear. Baba Baba Boat and Baba Baba Bear. Baba Baba Bat and Baba Baba Ball. Baba Baba Bat and Baba Baba Ball. Baba Baba Bunty and Baba Baba Bag. Baba Baba Bunty and Baba Baba Bag. Baba Baba Bottle and Baba Baba Books. Baba Baba Bottle and Baba Baba Books. Baba Baba Bird and Baba Baba Butterfly. Okay, in this way you also can sing and learn the phonic sound b and all the words related to the letter B. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.